Hello, I'm Robert Whitehouse from Energy Efficient Homes. We're back down here at Spraden again for the passive house we're building. We're about to go inside and have a look at the blower door test that we're currently carrying out. So come with me and we'll go and have a look and see what's happening. Okay, so we're here. Tanya is about to run the blower door test. We're looking to be better than the passive house standard, which is 0.6 of the total air volume of the house is allowed to lose per hour. So we'll run the test and let's see how we go.
Okay, we'll just crank into it.
Let's go. So one thing to look at right now is if you look at the walls, what you'll see, if you want to come along here, you'll see because we're depressurizing the house, what it's causing to do is you can see how this is coming in. It's pulling the insulation in because it's sucking the air in, or trying to suck the air into the house. Yeah, and you can see on the ceiling, it'll be slightly different as well. So yeah, we'll see how it goes. Okay, so one of the little tricks that we have here is a FLIR. This is the thermal imaging camera, and it's quite well. It's reasonably warm outside because the house is very energy efficient. We've locked it all up, and it's very cold in here. Believe me. In actual fact, it's 6.6 degrees in here, as you can see on the top here. That's the ambient temperature. And what we're picking up here, as you can see in the picture, that is the timber in the wall, right? So that's your thermal bridge, and basically where the dark patches are, you can see there down at the bottom. We have a temperature of 3.4, it's 5.4, and then at the warmer parts here where the insulation is all around the window, it's actually 13 degrees on the glass up there where the sun's coming through. But what we basically look for with this is that we're looking around the windows and things like that, and around the floors, because when we get a 10 degrees temperature change, you can see the air coming in, or you can see cold spots, and that's what we do. We go around and check, and we're looking for drafts. That's basically what we want to eliminate. And we just go around the house, checking it this way. So when I say we're looking for drafts, I mean, we cheat a little bit, to be honest with you, because we have our own blower door where we can run the door. The passive house certification test comes at the end of the build. The reason that we're doing it now is that while we've got the wrap on, it's fully exposed. Later on down the track, we'll show you another video with the battens on and the more insulation that's on the wall. But right now, if we find any leaks, we can get to them. So testing at this time, it's not compulsory for a passive house test, but if you're smart, it's what you want to do, because once it's closed in, you can't get to it. So the result is 0.38 of what we've got so far. We'll carry on looking for, see if we can get it better than that, but it's much higher than the passive house standard of 0.6, which is obviously a great result.
Okay, so we're back here at Bletsoe. We tested a few days ago and we got 0.36. The builders have all been working pretty hard and thinking about things and wanting to improve it. So we've come back today to do a retest, and we've come up with a reading of 0.29, which is significantly better than 0.36, obviously, and way better than the 0.6 that's required for passive house standard.